Hello everyone, this is Alicia. Today I will teach you how to make a jellyfish out of a paper plate. So first, you'll take a paper plate and you will cut it in half to make the bell of the jellyfish. Next, if you have a hole puncher, you can hole punch a line of holes across the bottom where you just cut, or with parents' help, you could use scissors to make a hole in it, being very safe. So now, with either ribbon or yarn, you will use that to make tentacles for your jellyfish. And I pre-cut them to making this video, so they're all set out in front of me. I attached them using a cow hitch, but you can attach them to the hole that you made in any way that you want to. So now I'm finished attaching all the yarn to make the tentacles. Now all you have to do is attach googly eyes if you have them, or you can draw them in if you don't have any. Now I'm going to draw a cute little smiley face for my little jellyfish. You can decorate yours however you want to, just like I did. There's the finished project. I hope you guys enjoyed making them.